In the fascinating world where art meets science, a unique collaboration emerges. Swiss chemical engineer Stefan MyTree and artist Langley Anderson join forces to create an intriguing art collection. Capturing scanning electron micrographs of a housefly, not just any fly, but a fly coated with gold, they've introduced us to Harry the Fly. Utilizing a field emission scanning electron microscope, they've obtained high contrast and topographic images. But that's not all. Anderson adds a vibrant touch, digitally enhancing the images with expressionistic hues, often using complementary color combinations. This unusual blend of science and art showcases the beauty of nature in a new light and opens a fresh perspective on effective science communication. And just when you think it couldn't get any better, MyTree adds a poetic touch, penning a poem about our golden fly. This is the realm where creativity knows no bounds. Welcome to the captivating intersection of art and science.